Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another day of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today is day 3 and our sketch is from Vanessa Bell, and it is a very simple sketch, but I really liked it. All of those lines on it inspired me to pull out this, it's kind of like a graph paper or ledger paper. But it's got a bunch of mixed media print already printed on it. This is actually from Pretty Little Studio. This is leftovers from our Kit Conspiracy. I had extra paper actually beyond what we used in Kit Conspiracy, so I'm trying to use it up. I had some of these collage papers that have one is got a bunch of different variety of blues on it and one has purples, and so I'm cutting those up to create the paper layers that Vanessa has in her sketch underneath the photos. Now I went with larger photos than what she has, but that's totally okay. The sketches are really just a jumping off point or to get you started. What you do with it beyond that is totally up to you. So I am not doing any of those horizontal lines because, like I said, that paper, that mixed media paper in the background kind of takes the place of that, and it's already so busy. I didn't feel like I needed to add much. So these collage papers are just going to provide those layers, and then I am going to do a little bit of embellishing. Now, to tone everything down and give a little bit of differentiation between my layers, I am inking everything up with a little bit of black soot distress ink. I'm keeping it pretty simple. This is a very quick video, you guys. It's only I don't know, 7.5 minutes long, which is rare for me, but I definitely wanted to make sure that I got a video out to you today. And I also, not all layouts take that long. Like I said, the papers are doing the majority of the work. It really just took me flipping through the embellishments because I'm using stuff all from the same kit. The collection's made to go together, so I don't really have to kind of work hard at it here to kind of make things match. So that captured title is also from the same collection, and then it's got 3 little boxes underneath. One says funny faces, one says smile, and one says memory. And I just check marked the funny face because in the photo it is me and the oldest of the 3 kids that I take care of, back when she was the only kid. And we are making funny faces and just kind of laying on the floor, and I'm kind of doing selfies for her. The kids just love to get pictures of themselves doing funny things on camera, and so that is what this is all about, just us being goofy together and making funny faces. Now I apologize, you can't see her face. That is for privacy protection for her family, but you can see my face and I'm being goofy too. So I am using some of the labels from the label set here and tabs from, I think they called, I can't remember what the collection. It's the Sun-Kissed collection from Pretty Little Studio, but I don't remember what the exact name of the actual ephemera pack is called. So I apologize for that. I will see if I can put it down below. I don't know for sure if I will be able to tell the difference, but I'll see what I can do for you. Anyway, while I am assembling this, I wanted to remind you to go and check out what everyone else is doing for 30 Days of Sketches. Make sure you go and give a little bit of love to Christy. I'm not sure if she's got a video for today or not, but she does a lot of work to put this entire series together, and this is the 14th time she's done it. That means there are sketches for 30 times 14, whatever that number is. I'm not doing math right now while I'm trying to talk, but it's a lot, you guys. You can go and join the Facebook group if that's of interest to you, and then there's a playlist down below so you can go and see all of the inspiration so far for the 14th series, 14th round of this series, and see what other inspiration has been released so far. I am just using some liquid glue and my ATG to go ahead and adhere some of this down. I was also pretty intentional on how I placed my papers, but I also left a little bit of a gap on that lower left-hand side. You can see where my papers didn't quite meet up. I am going to cover that spot because I don't really like it being empty like that. It looks like something's missing. So I'm just going to cover it up with this little scalloped piece and this little faux rick-rack purple piece, and I think that goes really well. It adds a little bit of fun dimension and character to the layout as well, because I've got a lot of straight lines going on. I really like the two together, the zigzag and the scallop. Now I am adding a little ladybug up here, and when you get to the screen, or not the screenshot, the still shots at the end, I don't know why my camera was not picking that up in very good clarity. I took the shot like 3 or 4 times, and I finally just gave up because I was doing this late at night, and so I apologize that still shot is not great, but the rest of them are pretty good. So I am also going to do a little bit of digging in a bag of sequins, which came in, I bought a bundled set of papers from this collection, and it came with the bundled set, but I don't think they were from Pretty Little Studio. It just came bundled from a shop that carried it. And I actually had that prior to even doing Kit Conspiracy with this collection. So, yeah, I had a lot of paper from this collection just because we chose different ones than what I already had, and or not all of them, but some of them. And then, like I said, I had some other pieces that we didn't decide to use for Kit Conspiracy. And if you're not sure what that is a series that I do with MK in November and in April, where we use a different kit each week of the month, and we try to work through it as much as we possibly can, which means our kits, we try to keep them on the smaller side. There's still a lot in them, you guys. And we do have that coming up again in April. So if you're interested in that, there is a Facebook group for Kit Conspiracy, and I don't know if she's still taking pre-orders for those collections or not, but you can go and check that out on Some Assemblage Required. I'll put a link for that as well down below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Take care, and I will be back again tomorrow with another video, so come back and see me then. And oh, don't forget, if you want to leave any comments, you can do that down below, and I will respond back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.